Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to save InShot draft video to your gallery. So first of all, launch InShot app on your mobile devices. Now once you come here, tap on the category of video. Now tap on the option of new. Now once you have selected a video from your gallery, tap on the back option. Then tap on draft. With that specific video will be saved to draft. Now, in order to export or save this video to your gallery, what you can do is tap on the video option again and then tap on that specific draft. After this, you'll see the option of export at the top right corner. Tap on it. From here, choose the resolution, frame rate and format you wish to. Then tap on the option of export. And with that, you will be able to save the draft video from InShot to your gallery. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.